This is a brand new 2014 Toyota 4Runner SR5. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, an 8-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.